Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the subject bookkeeping and accountancy, and the topic or the chapter name is bill of exchange. Now students, we have already solved 10 problems of bill of exchange. In that problem, what was there? There was a single buyer and a single seller, and they were having a dealing among each other. Sometimes they were asking you the journal entry in book of drawer, sometimes they were asking you the journal entry books of drawee. But in reality, it is that you're going to deal with only with one person? No. In business, you will be dealing with multiple people at a time. Somewhere you might be a drawer of the bill, somewhere you might accept the bill. So you will be doing a multitask. So the second method of bill of exchange is there, in which you are going to deal with different type of people. So in second method, sometime you may be a drawer also, sometime you may be a drawee also. You have to read the transaction properly, understand the transaction, and then write the entries. Okay, now listen to here. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Abhishek. You are going to write the transaction in the books of Abhishek. You are going to think from Abhishek point of view. Yes. Now Siddharth inform Abhishek that Vinith acceptance for 23,000 endorsed to Siddharth has been dishonored. Now see, Siddharth is informing. What is Siddharth saying? अरे अभिषेक, जो तूने विनीत का बिल मुझे ट्रांसफर किया था वो डिसऑनर हो गया है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सी द सेंटेंस. सिद्धार्थ इन्फॉर्म अभिषेक that Vineet acceptance, यानी कि अभिषेक was a drawer, Vineet was a drawee, and Siddharth is a endorsee. So सिद्धार्थ, अभिषेक ने विनीत का बिल सिद्धार्थ को पास ऑन किया था, वो डिसऑनर हो गया. व्हाट इज द एंट्री व्हेन द बिल एंडोर्स इज डिसऑनर? टेल मी. Yes, what will be the entry? The entry will be, हमेशा ये बात याद रखना, whenever the bill is dishonor, drawee is always debited, and the credit side, it comes whatever you have done with the bill. If the bill is discounted in the bank, it will come to bank. If you have kept the bill with you, it will come to bill receivable. If you have sent it for collection, it will come to bill sent for the collection. And if you have endorsed to someone, it will come to endorsee account. So this time your entry will be Vineet account debit to Siddharth account. What will be the entry? Vineet account debit to Siddharth. So I see in date column I have written A. I don't know the date. And in this only there is a one single transaction is there. So your entry is Vineet's account debit to Siddharth, because Siddharth was your endorsee. Sorry, Siddharth Siddharth account. Are you getting me? And what is the narration? Being bill endorsed, dishonor and noting charges paid. What was the bill amount? Bill amount was 23,000 and noting charges was 430. Now see here, bill amount is 23,000 and noting charges. See, in drawer's book, noting charges not written separately, because we are going to take this noting charges from the drawee. So you are just going to enter it, the symbol amount, and you're going to add it and you're going to write. समझ में आया बच्चों? Okay, now come to the second part. What is the second problem saying it? Kajal renew her exception to Abhishek. काजल रिन्यू हर एक्सेप्टेंस, ज्यादा काजल ने एक्सेप्ट किया था अभिषेक को रिन्यू. उसने क्या बोला? बाय पेइंग 3,000 इन कैश एंड एक्सेप्टिंग अ फ्रेश बिल फॉर बैलेंस अलोंग विद द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 11.5% पर एनम फॉर 3 months. सिंपल. रिन्यूअल मतलब कितनी एंट्रीज आएगी? 3 एंट्रीज. कुछ भी नहीं बोला, इसका मतलब हम समझेंगे कि बिल हमने हमारे पास संभाल के रखा है. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री आएगी फॉर कैंसिलेशन, सेकेंड एंट्री आएगी इंटरेस्ट की, थर्ड आएगी पार्ट पेमेंट की, फोर्थ आएगी न्यू बिल की. एम आई करेक्ट? चलो, कौन था ड्रॉवी? यस, ड्रॉवी वाज काजल, तो मैंने लिखा 1 काजल. सो योर एंट्री इज काजल अकाउंट डेबिट We have not done anything to the bill, so it is to bill receivable account. Okay, so this is your first entry. Yes, first entry is for the being bill cancel for renewal. Second entry is for interest. Kajal account debit. To interest account. Kajal account debit to interest account. Second entry we have done for interest. The next entry is regarding your, yes, second entry is regarding your part payment. You're receiving some amount, so cash or bank account debit. Who is giving you the money? To Kajal account. Being part payment received. And third entry is the new bill entry. So the new bill entry is bill bill receivable account debit to Kajal account. See, I have told you, don't think of anything. When there is a renewal, you are supposed to pass this entry. One entry is for being bill cancelled or removed, being interest calculated, being part payment received, being bill new drawn. Now let's read the problem. Yes, Kajal renewal acceptance to Abhishek by paying 39,000, by paying 3,000 in cash and accepting a balance bill for balance plus interest. So the interest is going in the new bill. It is 11.5% for 3 months. Yes. What was the amount of bill? The amount of bill is 39,000. The amount of bill is 39,000. So cancellation will be for 39. Now interest. Now how you're going to calculate the interest? I've already taught you. Simple as 39,000 minus 3,000. तो जो पैसा हमने दिया नहीं उसी के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होता है कि नहीं? तो 36,000 देने का बाकी है. 11.5%. एक साल का कितना आ रहा है? 4,140. yes, so interest is 4,140 divide by 12. yes, and multiply by 3 months के लिए है कि नहीं? So the interest come to 1035. So the interest is coming to 1035. 1035. What he's saying, he's asking you to take the money in cash. So cash 3,000 and the new bill along with the interest. So 36,000 plus 108 is 37,035. So it is 37,035. ओके बच्चों, समझ में आया? सो काजल वाला मतलब सेकेंड वाले में 4 ट्रांजेक्शन आए, पहले वाले में एक ही आया है. So you have to understand it. What exactly the problem wants from you? Are you getting me? So पहले में एक ही था, B वाले में देखो 4 था. Now we'll go ahead with the C1. What is the person saying you in the C? चलो, tell me what is the next one. Radhika retires her acceptance to Abhishek. राधिका ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं लिया था, अभिषेक को बस रिटायर किया यानी कि बाय चेक. रिमेंबर इट इज बाय चेक. बाय चेक मतलब पैसा बैंक में ही आएगा. सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, रिबेट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. व्हाट विल बी योर एंट्री? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग बैंक? यू नो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, because the money is coming in check. Bank account debit, rebate account डेबिट टू बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, रिबेट अकाउंट डेबिट, बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. कितने का बिल था? 23,000 का. चेक में 22,250 मिल रहा है. यस, सो द बिल वॉज ऑफ 23,000. पेमेंट कितना आ रहा है? यस, आपको पेमेंट आ रहा है 22,250. ऑब्वियसली फिर डिस्काउंट कितना हो जाएगा? 750. माइनस करो ना, सिंपल है. क्या करना है हमें? 23,000 माइनस 22,050. 22250. 750 आ रहा है ना, 22250 ही था ना. यस, 22250 हो गया. चलो ये वाला भी ट्रांजैक्शन हो गया. नाउ विल डू द नेक्स्ट वन. लास्ट वाले में क्या बोल रहा है? यस, सॉरी. सो एबीसी हो गया. Abhishek sent a bill of Subodh for rupees 9,000 for collection. Bank has informed that bill has been dishonored. See, अभिषेक ने बिल भेजा फॉर कलेक्शन के लिए और बैंक ने आपको बताया कि बिल डिसऑनर हो गया. तो पहले तो हम एंट्री पास करेंगे, बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट. एम आई करेक्ट? Yes. So what is the entry when the bill is sent for the collection? Yes. Bill sent for collection bill sent for collection account debit to bill receivable account. Okay, being sent for collection account to bill receivable account. The bill was of rupees 9,000. Yes, what is happening? The bank is informing you that this bill has been dishonored. So whenever I have told you, whenever the bill get dishonored, the drawee will always be debited. So who is the drawee here? Subodh. Subodh account debit to. Subodh account debit to. Yes, bill, because आपने बिल के साथ किया है send for collection. So bill send for collection account. Okay students, Subodh account debit to bill sent for collection account. So amount will be same 9,000. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो अपने को समझ में आया क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों के अंदर? दोनों के बीच में यही डिफरेंस है कि यू आर सपोज टू रिमूव कि भाई किसके साथ आपका क्या रिलेशनशिप है और किस हिसाब से आप करोगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द टोटलिंग. फटाफट टोटलिंग कर देते हैं सो दैट आवर प्रॉब्लम गेट्स ओवर. सो द फर्स्ट इज 23,430 प्लस 39,000 प्लस 1035 प्लस 3,000 plus 37,035 plus 2225, sorry, plus 22250 plus 750 plus 9,000 plus 9,000. So the total is coming to 1,44,500. 1,44,500. ये भी same होगा. Okay students, by this we have completed the second method of solving the problem. Chalo, have a good day. Enjoy learning. you can have a problem of any of the method. Okay, chalo, stay home, bye, take care.